Today, I'm going to demonstrate how I set up my plumbing for IKEA's Godmorgon Vanity. So the first thing you'll notice is I have my plumbing maximum 4 inches from the wall. Coming out of my wall, I had a 1.5 inch ABS pipe. I connected a 1.5 inch ABS 90-degree elbow to this pipe and pointed it up. After that, I got another small piece of ABS pipe and connected it to another 90-degree elbow and pointed it to the left. Using another small piece of 1.5 inch ABS pipe, I connected it to a 1.5 inch ABS trap adapter hub. After that, I inserted the IKEA pipe into the trap adapter and tightened the trap adapter to the IKEA pipes. After that, I verified all of the IKEA pipes were screwed on and tightened correctly. Here's a couple other views of the piping system and how it was installed. You can see how close to the wall this piping system is. A couple other YouTubers recommend 4 inches from the wall. I found that about 3 3/4 was ideal to ensure the pipes did not hit the drawers. And that's about it. If you guys have any more questions or comments about the Godmorgon installation, feel free to leave them below. If you need links for the parts that I used in this video, please check the description of this video. And if this video has helped you install plumbing for the Godmorgon Vanity, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.